I want to help you take your lighting from this or this to this. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are talking about lighting and getting your stream looking a little more professional. Let's achieve that for you. The first thing we're going to start with is a shopping list. We can do all this. We can make your stream look clean and crisp and clear and professional for less than $50. So we're going to start number one. We need 2 Ikea work lamps. The reason I like the work lamps is because you're able to directionalize the light because they've got the cover on the back. And what I've done is I've taken a piece of wax paper and put it over the front of the light. So it diffuses the light. It makes it a little less harsh than just one bulb coming at you and hitting you in the face. So wax paper on either one of them. And then what I use for the bulb is just your regular LED bulb. I use a white LED bulb because if I want to achieve a different look, I'd go on Amazon and buy a gel kit for, hold on, what is it? $14.99. You can get a gel kit on Amazon. What a gel kit is, a gel is just like a thin, clear piece of plastic, I guess, is what it is. Or not clear, it's a tinted color. So if you want to come across, have the stream a little cooler, you'd put a blue gel on. If you want it a little warmer, you'd put an orangey tone gel on, or you can mix and match. They come in all different kinds of colors. The most important thing to know is that there's 2 key lights that you need to have. After that, everything is bonus, and the sky's the limit. You can do whatever you want. The first light is the key light. That's the one that's going to light you, your face. So my key light for every stream is right over here. It's the bright light you can see it on my hand here. It's the light that lights my face. So that's the one most directionally hitting me. The second one is over here. It's my background light. So it's the light lighting up my background. What this does is it gives depth. If you want to use a green screen, you need these 2 lights. Some will say 3. I achieve it with 2, but my green screen's pretty close. If your green screen's really far away, you're going to need 3 lights. The reason that you want 2 lights is one to be your key light and one to be your background light. The background is what gives you depth, and it's gonna make you pop out on your screen. So I'm gonna give you an example of what happens if I turn the background light off. And now here it is with it off. It makes things look, well, it makes it look like I just have one light shining on my face, because my background light also, it's bouncing off that wall and lighting me as well. This just looks like someone's holding a flashlight on my face. It washes me out, and this is why I don't think going strictly with this light right behind the camera is a great idea, because you're gonna have that flat background along with nothing else is really gonna be lit. I feel like I'm in the Blair Witch. I have to fix this. That's better. So let me show you what happens when I turn the key light off. So now the key light is off, which is the one that's right in front of me here. And I have I'm dark. I'm lit solely by my monitors, which gives off whatever color is going on in the game that I'm playing, or the color of the background that I have. It's not super flattering. And at that, we might as well just have all the lights off. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial and it helped you with everything that you want to accomplish in creating a more professionally lit stream for yourself. If you have any questions or you want to chat about anything that I talked about today, I stream every Sunday, Monday, and Wednesday on Twitch TV in the evening. Don't forget to hit that like button if you did find this helpful, and hit that sub button. It really helps me out, and we will see you guys next time.